Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Apurva. I make content on beauty and lifestyle. So please take a moment, hit that subscribe button, also press that bell icon so every time I upload a video you will get notification. So in this video I am going to share you some mini travel product which will be so helpful while you are traveling. Also I got this product from Meesho and all the product link will be down in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. So without making intro further longer, let's get started with the video. So the very first product is this is the mini swing kit and it can fit into your jeans pocket, any of the handbag, and swing kit comes so handy while you are traveling. If something happened with your outfit, this comes so handy while fixing your outfit. It has all the necessary item like scissor, tweezer, thread cutter, safety pin, thread, touch button and needle. So it comes super handy and look at the size. It's so compact and also this is so affordable. All the product in this video I will show you, it's all under rupees 250. Next up is this set of 4 mini puff. I will pop the price on the screen. This comes in 4 different color and look at the size. This is what the finger puff look like and it comes so handy while you are traveling. And last minute touch up, no worry. You can touch it up and look at that. It can fit into my pinky finger and do all the touch ups also. And this can fit into your smallest tiny handbag and will make no fuss. Also you can keep this in your jeans pocket, so every time you need to touch up you can just touch up like this. Next product is this mini portable fan. This comes so handy and it looks super cute while you are traveling. Also you can remove this to make it more smaller and it looks so cute, so aesthetic. Also if you are going on the looks, it works so wonder. While you are on hot and humid place, this comes so handy. It can fit into your smaller handbag, so it comes so handy. While you are traveling, you have fan in your hand. Like, also this is not battery operated. This comes with their own tiny charger, so you can charge it up and use it. Also it helps to fix your makeup, like makeup fixer. This honestly work and this is a great find. Next product is this is the first aid box and this is so sleek. And if you are keeping your medicine like here and there, so this is one place to go. And this is what it look from inside. You get so many pockets, like you get so many pocket and so much of space, and it take very little space and it can easily fit into your handbag, and all your medicine, all your needs will be right here, right there, so you don't have to find here and there for your medicine. Just so this is a great find and I will highly recommend this to buy. Next up I have this portable sewing machine and it come with a magnet and it come with a cutter and the sealer, so you just have to use it and stick on the fridge. Also this come with their USB charging cable, so you just have to charge it and use it and keep it in a place. Also the best part I love about this sewing machine is the magnet, so I don't have to keep here and there and find, so I just have to use it and just stick on the fridge. So this is so cute and this is what, and when I just turn it on, I hope you can see this blue light, so it's turned on. Now the moment of truth, I actually want to try whether it's work or not, or it is just a gimmicky product. So I have my snack with me and this machine. So first I will cut this. Okay, I think you need a lot of practice with it, but with this you'll need lot of practice to cut and it's making opening so tedious. And now let me just check whether it seals it back or not. Packet of any chips or snack, I just open it and I will just tie a rubber band, or maybe I will just keep it loose and it's all get sila. so I don't enjoy wasting my snacks. So this will come super handy if it seals back. So, and sealing is quite easy. So can you see my snacks is all sealed, like it is not going anywhere. So air will not get into the and it will not destroy my snack. So I really like this product. Next up I have this mini makeup brush and this come in set of 4. So this is what the product look like and this is what खुल जा निकल जा and this is what the product look like and it come with this 3 eyeshadow brushes and this one large brush. You just have to pull it and push it back and this brush is so fluffy. So let me just give it a try and give you the review how does it work. I am using this brush and this eyeshadow palette. So guys, this is what the eyeshadow looks like. This brush is not picking the product too much. Also, you have to go again and again to pick the product up, but let me just use a shimmer product and see. I'm picking the shimmer eyeshadow and applying all over. The brush is not so dense, it is not picking the product too much and I have to go again and again to make it work. I don't think it works, but if you are no makeup girly and if you are going on a day trip, so it might work. And if you do a heavy makeup like me, this will not work. I don't know, this brush is so fluffy how I will put this back because it's gonna ruin the shape of the brush and the bristles. Also the bristles quality is not that great, so I would suggest to skip this product and I don't know how I will put it back. Like it is going to ruin my. I am going to return this product because this make no use. Next up I have so special product, the body glitter, the travel size body glitter, because to find travel size body glitter is so difficult and that too in a spray form and I have one and this can fit into all your handbag and the application is so easy to use. You just have to shake it well and see. I hope you can see the shine and the reflection. Like, see. I just turned off all the lights and I hope you can see now it is so shiny. Like, it's blinding. And look at my fingers when I was blending and look at that shine. It's so blinding, it's so shiny, it's so reflective. In this you will get so nice and sexy pictures. So definitely you can consider on getting this. Last but not the least, I have a keychain and it's so useful while you are traveling. If you think it looked like a blah, but it doesn't and it looks so good. The best part about the keychain is this. Let me just turn off all the light. Can you see how bright light this is? Also, this has another mode like flash mode. Look at that. Also, this keychain come with this own USB charger, so you don't need to put the battery. So you just have to charge it up and use it. This side is a keychain holder, like you can put it on your bag and you are just good to go. And from this side you can open the bottles up. So if you are keep losing your keychain, you can just put it on your bag and you are good to go. If you are a frequent traveler, if you are like to trek at night, this comes so handy and it can fit into your palms and you are just good to go. Also, this is a multi-use keychain, so you can use it in your multiple ways. So this one is a great investment. Also guys, if you loved my makeup look, then please do let me know. I would love to recreate this makeup look again with you. And this is a quick 5 minutes makeup look that I have created. So let me know in the comment section below. So guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also send this video to your friends and family. I will see you guys next Friday. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.